Hello wig wearers. Today I'm going to show you how to give your lace top wig a silk top look. What's the difference? This is your lace top. This is the parting that we have. A silk top has like an artificial scalp layer in amongst it, so you can see more of your scalp through with a silk top. But if you want to go in between, or you already have a lace top and you want to see more scalp, I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's so easy. So we're going to take this little patch of skin and underlay, just peel it back from the material, and this is going to lie across our part. Press this on nice and firm. And then we can flip it over. Alright, so we've applied our skin tape to the inside of the cap, and this is our result. See how the parting looks wider? It looks finer, and you can see more of your skin underneath. This is excellent also if you have dark hair and you're wearing a lighter color wig. It will conceal your hair color underneath as well. And it is just so easy to do. This will stay on your wig probably for a couple of washes. You can also reapply it as well. And if you want a thicker look, you just peel it straight off and there's no residue or anything like that. So I hope you enjoy this little trick and it makes things a bit easier for you.